Hey guys, welcome back to Global Scale channel. Today's video, it's gonna be a little bit different. It's about how to do an AC recharge on your 2011 Ford F-150, and that's gonna work on Mini Ford as well and many other cars. It's the same process. So stay tuned and we're gonna show you step by step, and let's go. Process is always saving you money and how to do it yourself instead of taking it to a shop and charging you over 150 to get it recharged. This way it's going to be just buying the AC recharge bottle and then you can do it yourself. And first of all, make sure you locate the AC line port. So we're gonna, each car is different. On this Ford it's on this side, so we're gonna locate it first. Then the next step is we're gonna turn on the car, turn on the AC to the max, and turn on the fan to the max, and then get the AC bottle, and then we're gonna start recharging. Before that, we want to make sure that the car is on, the fan and the AC all the way set to the max, and then at the same time open the doors for your car. This time it's the summer right here. We're gonna open the door so the AC will be working hard and all the way blowing the air. Okay, so let's locate the AC line port on this truck, and it's similar to all the cars, so make sure it will snap, make sure that it's already connected at 100%. After that, we're just gonna follow this little trick, which is we have to shake the bottle and then twist it to the left about 90 degrees, and then every 10 to 15 seconds make sure that the AC is recharging, and then on the port right here, or the portal, you will see the green light that's showing or indicating that it's charging. Make sure you don't exceed the green light and maintain just the proper level for the AC to be charging.